Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome to Mocha's World. So today I'm just going to do a quick change of my vacuum bag and filter just to show you how easy it is to do that. And this vacuum indicates when it's time to change the bag. Yours should do that as well. Don't procrastinate, do it as soon as possible. I'll include a link for the replacement bags in the description section below the video. I'm right next to an open door, so it's well ventilated. You don't want to be inhaling any dust particles. So here we have the box. It's a size M40. You can use any brand. The size is M40. This package comes with 4 and 1 filter. So this is a filter and the 4 bags. They come packaged like this. So I'm just going to slip one out. And this is how the bag comes. So let's open this. Wow, look how big and fat that bag is. All right, so before we unravel this, we just want to make sure it's, so this arrow has it pointing. So if you look, it's the same setup here. So we're going to just insert it this way. I have a recycled plastic bag here just to put this old one in. So now we're going to just pull it out. Notice this, the arrows are pointing that way. That's how you insert it. So just pull it out the opposite way. And it comes right out. This bag is super full. I should have emptied it a while back, but kind of forgot about it and needed it in a jiffy. So anyway, I'm going to place it in this bag here because we don't want to be inhaling any of this dust or having it spill out anywhere else. So neatly packed away, very heavy. Let's not wait that long next time. And then I'm going to just insert this in here. Super easy. Make sure it snaps. So now I'm going to change the filter, which is right here. So let's just lift this thing up here. And look at this filthy filter. Disgusting. Ugh. Look at it. It's black. It's supposed to be like this. So I'm going to place this in the bag as well. And if you notice, I'm using a glove. Before I place it in there, I'm going to just wipe it with a cleaning wipe here to remove the excess dust. And it also helps to wipe out some of the dust that's within the vacuum itself. Discard that as well. So we'll just place the filter inside here. Close that and close the vacuum, and we're good to go. So there you have it, guys. That was super easy. Have a great rest of your day. Thanks for watching.